Hi everyone, so today we're going to be talking about Bank of America, and more specifically, I'm going to be walking you through how to order checks for Bank of America. So first, just a little bit about what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then the person you're paying deposits that check. Once they've done that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. The first thing you're going to want to do is open your browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, any browser that you'd like. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using Safari, and I'm already on the website as you can see, and the web address is right here at the top of the screen, bankofamerica.com. You can also check out the description for the link to Bank of America. Now, before we get started, I do want to let you know that you are going to need a copy of a voided check or something else that has your bank account number and your routing number. So the first way is going to be to log into your Bank of America bank account online. You'll need to have a user ID and a password, and at the top right hand of the screen, you'll see the word login. You're just going to click on that, and that is going to take you to the next screen. It should, where you can put in your online ID and your passcode. Now, if you're not enrolled, you can click on this link right here that says enroll, and then just follow the instructions on this screen to complete the enrollment, and then come back to this screen here so that you can log in. Once you're in, you're going to want to click on banking options and order checks online. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but definitely be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way is to call the customer service number for Bank of America. To find this number, go back to the main page. So I'm going to go back to bankofamerica.com, and then I'm going to click on the little menu button, which is right next to log in. It's the 3 lines. And then click on Contact Us. You're going to click on Checkings and Savings. And right here, you have the phone number that you can call, an 800 number to order your checks over the phone. I do want to let you know that sometimes there will be an additional fee to use this service to order your checks, and they will explain all of that to you when you call. The final way to order checks is through a third party. To do this, you simply are going to go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Bank of America. I already have a tab open for that to show you. Order replacement checks for Bank of America, and it's just going to come up with a ton of different third-party vendors that you can buy checks from. The first one it comes up for this is Bradford Exchange checks, which is a very popular one. So do be aware though that the security features and prices to order checks online from these third-party vendors will vary. And this also is where your voided check copy is going to come in handy, because to order a check from these vendors, you are going to need to have your exact Bank of America bank account and routing number, because unlike when you order it from over the phone or from the Bank of America website, it's not going to automatically load. You have to provide those numbers yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please make sure to check out the description for more information on Bank of America.